January 11th, 2021. I have this weird, I use on my same phone or device. I use the Chrome, see, it's a Google, Google. There's only one of those. And then there's only one browser, Chrome, Chrome. And then I type in Facebook, Facebook. There's only one of those. So there's only one corporation named Google. There's only one corporation incorporated in Google with Chrome. That's like maybe a sub-aperture or whatever. And then there's one Facebook. I always type the same thing in, but just now, when I went to do the same thing I did this morning, the painted viewpoint of the screen all of a sudden changed. It has a different, almost cartoony look between the Google, the Chrome, and the Facebook. I have no idea. I'm not a technical specialist. I don't know how to code things. I don't know how to use computers to change developer whatever. I don't even know the words that the criminals use in order to steal stuff in phishing expeditions and rerouting of people's personal information. I just don't. I'm not a criminal by nature, but there's criminals everywhere, and they seem to know how to redirect and cause trouble more than the authorities are able to shut them down and eliminate them completely. So, I don't know what to do other than it is January 11th. It's 1:43 Eastern Standard Time p.m. It's a Tuesday, and it's year 2021. Just to make a note, because I don't know how that works. Does it just the coding on the back end of my catalog? As a corporation, I only have one file with you. I wanted all of my data to be put into the one Native American feet in New York catalog status. So this way I have the appropriate whatever for quantum, for my biological safety, so that if some point I need to be transferred somewhere, it's easily retrievable without pieces missing or changing. Like one file, one suitcase, one valise, and moving it to wherever it needs to be in order to protect my privacy, my biological safety, and my journey and what I had to experience or what I was dragged through along the way. But for some reason, it doesn't seem that the humans are complying with that very simple necessity. It seems they keep spinning my whatever, and I have no control over it. And I also have no way of assuring that somewhere between what I actually create and where it then shows up is the exact same unadulterated and unedited piece. So this way it coincides with the safety I need and whatever else. Because it feels almost like there's image consultants and spin artists that are so used to, with like tabloid methods, just going in and destroying people's reputations and their home lives, that they are just so callous now that they just take wherever they want to take. And that's what's really scary. Or they change whenever they want to change something. I don't understand. If I'm using one service, or it has to be some form of a stacked service for some reason. Why can't it just stay copacetic and cohesive so this way it's easier to address and protect? Why does it have to constantly be manipulated and changed? And who is allowing such an action? And how is it actually benefiting the situation? Because my day-to-day life, since 1978, every day I've gotten up, it seems to have gotten worse. I could deal with it in the first decade, and halfway through the second decade. But it has been rotten circumstances from middle of second decade straight on through. It's been excess weight with no reason. It's been, I mean, horrible, horrible effects. Joints not working, body malfunctioning, and all sorts of stuff. And with all this technology coming out, I mean, it is a worse world than when I entered. Star 1978, star 8378, Nicole, Cattaruzza. It is Earth, solar system, Milky Way, universe, galaxy is broken, and it's Bayside Station, Bayside, New York, 11361. I took a photo of what the changed artwork is on this new painted front on my maxi pad internet, is what I call it. I only use Google. I only use Chrome, and I'm only using Facebook through Chrome and Google in some three-way security whatever. So this way I can make one report, but through that channel. I don't know why it changed. There's no way of me, there's no phone number to ask these things. There's no customer service rep. There's no technical help. There's nothing available through Google, through Facebook, or through Chrome that I'm aware of. At least on my MaxiPad internet, there's no phone numbers. Or it doesn't lead anywhere. It's always like, just submit a form, right? Yeah, to who? The magical wizard that never checks anything? I mean, it's ridiculous.